every day when I'm just explaining about it, at least on the day what we completed, at least you practice that. Then when you have the time, then you can complete the previous classes.
Yes.
Okay, so it is not continuous classes, right? So it is not required to step one, step one. That's why, okay, even I cannot give that to so many people. They will ask that, okay, can you just give me that to exactly how one by what it are like starting and ending like that. So there is no starting, there is no ending. Okay, it's like a ocean. It's a SAP is a ocean. Keep on, you have to learn everything. Everything it is individual. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Okay, so subcontracting process. So okay, I'll just repeat the subcontracting process. Okay, so let's go with that creation of subcontracting purchase order. So I'll be creating the subcontracting PO. So item category is L. L is represented that subcontracting. Okay, so this item category is very important. Every process have their own identity. So standard is the standard PO and Kanyam and subcontracting limit like that. Every process have that. Okay, it is represented that what process you are doing, what special process you are doing. Then I'll just ordering that sugar. So I'll be order only one and okay, then just planning to order okay, TA CFR. Okay, what? Okay, it's not there. Okay. Okay, so now I'll just ordering this one. 1 ton I'm just ordering. Okay, I'm just planning that 1 ton preparation. It is €1. So it is the cost of euro, which is like for preparation, not for actual cost. It is different actual cost. Okay, so then you can see that what it is required, how much it is required, and all. You can see here the factors. Okay, then I'm just saving this purchase order. Then this is the PO. Okay, then after creating the subcontracting PO, okay, so as per the process, I need to issue the component here. So this is the plus is the component and minus whatever it is there byproduct. Okay, so plus whatever it is there the product I'm just sending to the subcontractor because they're using the sugar canes and they're preparing the sugar. They're planning to prepare the sugar. Okay, so now I'll be go to MIGO. MIGO is the transaction code to post the transfer postings, goods received, goods return, whatever you want to be do, you can do. And I'm just selecting the transfer posting and entering that purchase order number. So this is my purchase order number. Okay, then enter. Okay, so the quantity which we need to be sent to 4,536. Okay, if you need this one, you have to be you should be have the stock. So let's see that whether stock is available or not. Okay, so I have the 10,000 quantity there. I just need only 4,300, 5,000, 4,536. So I have the stock. Okay, so then where it is stock, it is there. So you can tier TRT. Okay, who's okay? Where is stock? Okay, which stock? Store location it is there. Stock 001. Okay. Okay, so 001 store location and item. Okay. Then you can check that what material you are sending and which plant it is and which store location from which store location you are sending. And you can see that you are providing to the subcontractor parts providing to the vendor. So that is a WOs. So you can see that the moment type is 541 WO. Okay. So WO it is representing that parts provided to vendor. So you can enter the 541. Now click on check, then post. Okay. So now the documents are the stock which is posted. Okay, you can go to where tab and you can check that whether the stock which is provided to vendor. So you can see that in the stock overview, stock provided to vendor, that is 4,536, and remaining balance is I have 5,464. Okay, so this stock, which is the why it is displaying as a stock provided to vendor, because we are issued to the subcontractor, and moreover there is no accounting impacts here. There is no accounting impact because these are the my own stock. Okay, so no accounting impact here. Even I issue to the subcontractor, because it's just like we are giving to them to produce the final product. We are not selling to the product. Okay, and the ownership will not be exchanged. So here you can see that 541 moment type, and the accounting entries is 0. So there is no impact of accounting entries. Okay,
But
so
Ravi,
in that point of view, it's very important when you are using the 541 moment type. Okay, transfer posting to subcontractor, no accounting impact. So they might be asked like reverse way. So what are the accounting entries will be impacted when you are using the 541, or what are the accounting impact it is there when you are when you are transferring the stock, or when we are using this 541 moment type like that. Okay, so it's very important. So there is no accounting impact. Clear? Any questions still here?
yes, if I am giving them stock, am I audible?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, if we are giving them stock, but
Mhm,
and we are taking services or assembly, whatever, but
mhm.
for their work we have to pay them, no? When they might be doing assembly or they are whatever they are
So that's
doing.
what, right? We are just giving, I can show you from point of view, the
Okay,
stock provided to vendor. So what operations they are doing, we cannot see, right?
right.
So that is vendor side. Vendor, what operation they are doing, we don't know. If if they are explaining all these things, we are doing this operation, then you can also operate that, right? So no one will not expose their own operations,
So
because
not for operations, but the I mean we have to pay their services. We have to, right?
that's what, right? We are paying the €1, right? Here in the PO, which we already explained that what we are paying amount, that is for the, you can see here €1 I'm just paying.
Okay.
This €1, what is the purpose of we are paying €1?
But then you said accounting documents is not
That's
generated.
what. See, still he didn't complete his job, right? Did he complete his job?
No,
Did he complete his job?
not yet.
Not it, right? Then okay, if I just completed the process, then you can ask me.
Right,
Okay,
right,
where
right.
is we are paying that amount?
At the
Okay.
time of receiving goods, we can
Yeah.
pay them.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then going to the goods receipt now. Now we already send the goods to the subcontractor. Okay, he is making the product and he say that okay, this product is ready. You can come and you can collect that, or he is sending that goods to your location. So then I'm just receiving the goods. The moment type is 101, and the same process what we are following for P2P cycle. Enter. Then you can see that now where you want to be receive the stock. You can enter the where you are planning to receive the stock. Then you just check that it is 1 ton, and so as we explain about that, I can see here only the FG product. So but we expected that byproduct also. So just explore this one. Then you can see that the byproduct we are receiving and sugar cans you are issued. Okay, so how we know that whether this is the FG product, or whether it is the byproduct, or it is my consumption based on the moment type. Okay, if I go to here, the first one, this is the product which is sugar. This is the 101 moment type. So we are receiving the actual product. Okay, then if I'm going to second, molasses. So this is the byproduct. You can see the 545O. Okay, so 545O is the special special moment type. It is like byproduct we are receiving. Okay, so before that I'm just showing that molasses we don't have any stock. There is a zero stock. Okay, then if I go to sugarcane is consumed. That means my stock, whatever we send the goods in the this stock provided to vendor, okay, that will be consumed. it automatically leave up here. Okay. So now I'm just selecting all these things. Any questions here? You can see the consumption product, and you can see that what it is a byproduct, and you can see what actual product. Clear? Any questions?
No.
Okay, let's go with that. Then check. Okay, then post. Okay, now I received the product. Okay, so it's completed from my end. Okay, but let's go with that MMBE. Okay, see here it is still not consumed because this is having the problem. Yesterday I just discussed with summary. Okay, these documents are not saving. Okay, so not sure why it is not saving. It's problem with database. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, so this is already there in this long back. So this 2011, it is 2023, which is not updated. Okay, so it is problem with that uh, database. It is. Even I just tried yesterday, but he didn't clear that. You can see here intervals we are assigning here. Intervals this GRGA sleep, and here you can go back and you can see that number reservations and material documents. So all here it is working here. Okay, depends on the here how it is going that. So this is the material document number which we are posting today, but not sure about, it's not working. Okay, so the database is not working. That's why I cannot able to show you. Okay, but this is the key point where we are sending the number in this. Let me try to create new number range because I'm not sure whether it is a problem with number range or it is. I'll try to make it somewhere like let's make it like double nine and all zeros. Okay, without overlapping. Okay, there is some already overlapping there. Let's see where it is exactly. It is there here. So what I can do, I'll just make it is change. It is a 9 series. Okay, just make it this as a 9. Let me use. Okay, so what I can plan here, I'll just plan for myself MD, and I'll be creating that 9 and from 2 9. Let's see how it will work. This. So MD, I'm just created a group MD. Then where is the WE? Okay, so this is my number. Just assign the W to my number. So this is my number. So let's go to WC. So MD 902. Let's see now how it works now. Whether it will work. If it is not working, then it's something the database problem. The problem with database only. So what you are using, Nita? You got one more server, right? What it is server it is?
Can I check? Can I
And
give you details?
okay, just give me. I think I
Yeah.
just added, right? No, give me the server details. I'll try that.
Yeah.
It's jumping it is. Even I didn't create that. Now it's jumping to the number and status.
A second. Just share those details.
Okay, I'm just starting that. So did you try with this one? Is this working or not working?
I'm using same account.
Okay, so let's see this one. If it is working correctly or not. Okay, I'll just try to create subcon. Let's see if it is working or not. So we have or not.
Mm.
In this chapter, we defined what does matter. Right? Utara. In this chapter,
Mm.
okay, conditional calculation. So did you created any documents on this, Rita? Did you create any document postings and all?
Sorry, Ravindra, you are
So
not
did you
audible.
created any documents on this server?
No.
No. So this is also one reason in case if it is not accepting to create that, it might be one of the reason is account assignment not. If it is not non-valued material, then only it will be asked the account assignment category. So then I can now will try because I sorted out that. Let's see. Now item category L for okay, document type. Okay. Okay. Then now, okay, that's fine. Now it's good. Okay. Now what I'm doing here, I just enter the component. I will enter the component. So this is the material is raw material or it is semi-finished course. It shall be semi-finished course. Okay. So I just enter creating for this material. And I will be entering the raw material here. Was one quantity is required. Attention recursive form. Okay, sorry. The same material. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll just enter that one more material also. It is required. Okay. So I just entered this here. 12 rupees. Okay. Now commitment. One more we are getting commitments are not given up.
What is commitment?
Huh? Sorry.
What is commitment item?
This is a CO related commitment. Okay, so when there is a product, when they are creating for funds management, cash management and fund controlling related, so they must be activate these funds management and cash management and all. So it is involved these are, so there must be commitment needs to be done. Okay, if you have the cannot be enter the commitment item, check with your system administrator. So this is the problem. Okay, let's see for some other plant. I think all it will be the same. It is 1000, right? I will do until.
Here they are asking for account assignment mandatory.
That's not account assignment. This commitment is different. Entirely, which is material ledger account related commitment. If I will try for some other company code. Okay. So monthly that chain.
Ravindra,
Tell me.
I have created enterprise structure. So
You have created enterprise
yeah,
structure.
enterprise structure it is there.
Tell me. What
Yeah,
is the enterprise structure?
the same what you have created. It's
Tata one, right?
TACM, TC is a company code. TACM and TACD.
TATR. Okay,
Huh.
let's try this one. So standard price. Okay, I can give the standard price. 220. Okay, so this material extended and this material also will try. Yeah, CM is the one plant, right? Okay.
Yeah, CM and CD are the plants.
Okay.
Or they are purchase organization. No, they are purchase organization.
Okay, that's okay. In Metal Master record, we are not entering any purchasing organization. Okay. So now I created these two. Then what I need to do? You have the plant. You have the vendor. Any vendor you created?
Vendor, no.
Okay. I'll just create quickly one vendor. I'll just extend. Okay. So TA T. What is the company code? TA T1 TS.
Company code TATC.
Data communication. Okay. Yeah.
And
Now it
purchase organization is TACM or TACD.
is no problem. Let's see. Okay. So I just extended 1000. Let's try. Let's see how it will go. ME21N. I'm just entering the document type NB. Okay, so then TACM and TATC, Tata Communication. Okay, sometimes okay. Then item category L and those. Then TATCL. Okay, okay. TATCM having the what is the HALB? Go to OMS2. So this is the setting what represented that whether this type of the materials are valued or non-valued. Okay, so here it is not they mentioning like non-valued. So I'm just making as a valued. Okay, so I just go to HALB and I'm selecting this one and go to quantity value update. So here I'm just updating that value updation and quantity updation is mandatory. So every server have the issues, but database level, if I am getting a problem, then it's very difficult. So let's see what is my company code TSTC, right? So TSCM, right? Sorry, TSCM. So TSCM level, I'm just updating quantity update and value update. And what about one more thing, which is TSCD? So that also I can do. This is already updated. Okay. Okay. It is not if it is not checked here, then it is not quantity update value update. That means you must be entered the account. That means only possible consumption. Stock update, it is not possible. Okay. And let's try for the ROH also. ROH also, it might be it is a problem. So I just go with ROH material type also, and I will be update like a quantity value update. Okay. In meantime, I will go. I will be creating again M21N. And I'm just entering that. Now let's see whether this error is gone. Okay, now this error is gone. Okay, the account assignment is gone. Okay. Now maybe other financial some physical error is gone. Okay, let's see ROI. So ROI which is connected. So in real time, if you are getting these kind of issues, physical air variant and all, that might be you just check with production planning team or financial team what maybe what physical variant they are using and all you can use. So now let's complete this one first, ROH. Then I'll go for that. I'll just open one more screen. SPRO physical air variant. Physical air variant for management of physical air variant. Assign company code to physical air variant. Okay. So I'll just go for my company code. PACL. So I'm just updating ROH also. TATCD, I think it is already there. Okay. Now let's see my company code. I'm assigned physical area variant. So TACM. Okay. So sorry. What is the company code? What is the company code? TATC, right? So I just assigning here K4 and this K4. Okay. So I just explain about this one. Okay. Let's see. Anyway, I just open this one, right? So I'll just open this one. What is the picture of this one? V3 and K4. Okay. So how many people knows about that financial year? How many you know about that financial year? What is the Indian financial year and US financial year? How it will start?
March to April. Next, I mean March to March.
Not March to March, yeah. April to
April to March.
okay. So this is the Indian. Okay. So generally the financial year it will be start with April and it will be ending with March. Okay. So how we general calling like 2012, 2013. So that is the financial year of the 2012. Okay, that means if it is started with April 2012 and it is ending with March 2013. Okay, this we call 2012 financial year, right? Correct? Correct or not? 2012 financial year. This is okay. So coming to the US. Okay, so how US to be like? Shaila, we will start with
Jan to December.
Jan to December, right? So that means if it is 2012, 2012, okay, 2012 Jan, that means 2012 December. It will be ending on the same year, right? This is a 2012 financial year. Okay. So how the system knows that whether you are following that the above structure and below structure, it depends on the physical year variant. Okay. So what you are assigned in the physical year variant, if you see that V3, okay. So general V3 we are using for the Indian clients. Okay. So April to March. these 4 periods like April to March, it will be start like that. And if you are using K4, that is January to December. Okay. So then how we are segregating here? Okay. So why it's very important when you are doing the MM periods. So you are closing MM periods, right? If you remember that last time we did that 01, 02, 03, 04, like we close one period and open the next period, right? Correct or wrong? Do you remember that? We did the MM periods. Hello? Is it audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, so can I able to hear? Okay, so MM periods, if I just want to use the current month, August month, then the current month period should be open like 2023, 06, 2023, 07, 2023, and now 08. So you must be opened all these periods, and if it is opened current period, current month period, then only I can post some material document into current month. Correct? Did you remember that, or anyone have to doubt this one? MM periods. Hello.
I got it.
Okay. Now see. Now if it is April to March, what will happen? Okay. If you are open at 01 2023, what is the meaning of this one? If it is Indian, when January will come? Sorry, when 01 will come?
10th month.
01 2023 will come when?
10th month it will be.
3 months before.
Yes.
3 months before means okay. Uh, it will be start like if it is 01 2023 January 2023. That means okay. It is like it should be like April 2020 in our language. If it is open 01 2023, that means the month 2023 April it is open. Okay, that means if it is January 2023, suppose it is January 2023, that means you are in the where you are in the still September, October, November, October. You are in the October 2022 as per the Indian because you are in the 3 months back. It's like it's ending of March. So always how it will be calculated like 01 is April and 02 is May and 03 is June and 04 is July and 05 is August and September, October, November, December, January, February and March. Okay. So this is the cycle hours. So our running which will be a cycle like this one. Okay. But if it is the same in the US, how it will be like? If it is a US, then 01 means it is January. Okay. And 02 is February. And 03 like March. Like it is like if it is 12th, it is a December. Okay. So now see that there is a so much difference it is there. Okay. So when you are opening your period, make sure that you should not open that future. That means if you are opening the 01 2023, that means you are in the April month, not January month. Okay. Here if you are opening that it is like 01 2023, that means you are in the January. Clear? So how the system will be understand? It depends on the fiscal year variant, what you are assigned in the company code level. Okay. So what company code it is? If it is K4, then it is a 01 2023 January, and if it is a V3, then it is a 01 April is the calendar period. Clear? Is it clear? Any questions? Any questions?
Yeah, can you go back to that screen?
Okay.
There is second one.
Yes.
Okay, so K4 is the US one, and then
K4 is the US one. Okay.
Okay.
And V3 is the Indian one. V3 is India financial year, and K4 is the US financial year. Clear? So like every country have their own financial year. So when you are implementing, the financial team and they need to understand that what fiscal year wherein they are maintaining, that they have to be maintained. Okay. So it is completely financial related, not our MM related. But you need to be understand how it will works.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No, I'm good.
Okay. So now I assign my financial year also, which is January to February. Then I will be check that. Let's see if it is going. Okay. I will be go back. Create issue, right? Okay. Now I'll be creating again back ME21N, and default document type is NB, and 1000 is my vendor, and planned purchasing organization and other details which I'm entering. Okay, so chart of account also it is not good. Chart of accounts, December financial year, and let's say send assignments, go to assignment, controlling area, and chart of account, company code. Where is the chart of account? It should be there here only. Controlling area. What error it is coming chart of account? Okay, chart of account is something different. So group of assign, group of chart of accounts, company code, and layout, chart of company code to chart of account. So let's see what is the chart of account. It is there. INT. Generally we are using INT. Depends again we can use. What is that my company code? PAPC, which is INT. TSC is INT. Yes, so I just assigned chart of account also. I'm just creating again. Okay, component. Since we didn't maintain a bomb, so it is asking. So I'll just enter that what is the component it is required. Let's see. So warning message is all, it's error message, warning message, all it's gone. Okay, so it's just like output only. If you want to enter the output, it is okay, or else you can leave it, no problem. So let's see what it is there in the output. Okay, somebody take data new. Okay, so medium it is missing something. What miss? What medium they maintain? We don't. Okay, leave it about this. Is not important here. Okay, so now I created this one. So this is the FG product, and something like main product. This is the main product, and this is the component, which is like one product which is required. So save. So now this is a pivot which is created. Okay. Now we should be have the component also. This component whether we have the stock or not. Let's see stock available or not. So it is a new plant extension, right? I mostly it's 0 only. Okay, so there is no stock available here. Even for this also. Okay, this is also stock is not available. So what I can do the initial stock upload. to get the stock. So goods received, others, and 561 movement type. Or you can use 501 also, no problem. Let's see. I'll get the stock more. Then I can use this one. What is the plant? Tiara. Okay. Click OK. Posting periods it is 2010, 22. Okay, it's okay. I can let's MMPV. So now it is the current month of 2022 10. So you need to be open 2023 8. So you have to run another 10 times. So TATC, and what period it is 10. So I'll just open 2022. Okay, so 2022 then 12 month I'm just opening. So now current period is 2012. Okay, let's see if I'm getting the problem with 2023. So it is 2012, it is possible. Now I'll just open 01 2023. Then 02 2023. Then 03 2023. Then 04 2023. Zero 05 2023. So we are in the August month. So our financial year variant is also January to December. So I'm just using January to December variant. So 07 2023. Now we are in August, so I need to open one more. 2023 August. So all is completed now. Let's see. I can able to post or not. MIGO, go to MIGO. Address and material number. Then quantity. Then plan, purchasing organization, store location. Then get the stock. Let's see. Now this posting period was done and there was something GL account related issues. So let's see. S69. What it is actually G00 T04F. So G0 is not available. Okay, field status it is not available. Oh my God. Okay, 2020 does not exist. Score 301 4 3003. So it is already there. Enter digital does not exist. It is already there. So why it is not coming? Make sure your entry are correct. If table is not maintained correctly, please inform us.
What we are doing?
So I'm getting error, which is like in the table entry G003, it is not there. But I can see that it is available. But why it is showing like that?
You have checked in the table that it is there.
Table level it is there already. 3003 it is there already. But not sure why it is coming error. Let's check. Material consumption account. Let me try. Uh-huh. It's entirely all it is getting the same problem. When entry is there, but entry is not showing wrong. This is not available. So this is a financial related. So they are mapping the where fields, what fields it is mandatory while posting the consumption entry. So they are checking that for GL account what it is necessary fields, whether those fields are maintained or not maintained. So so against that it is getting problem like it is not exist and all. It's showing 003 not exist. But again I just need to be find that where exactly it is searching. So let's see 1 minute. I'll just check that.
Or do we need to contact Sabri for the server?
No, wait. Uh, Let me check that where the field status it is there. 000. Okay. So totally 8,980 is there. So I'll just sort to this one. So where we didn't have the 003 that we can just want to see that. I'll do one thing. I'll just download this one. So this is the way we can download from data table. If you want to be download the data, you can download from here. Like. So an Excel file I can download. format. Okay. I'll just download into some other format now. Let's see. Just download the XLS format. Okay. Good to go. Okay. So out of this one, we don't have the how many teacher totally? Oh my God. So for this 173, we don't have gate 302. So it's very difficult to maintain. List of it is giving that what information where exactly it is missing and all. That's fine, but it is not giving exactly.
Still same error, na?
Still we didn't maintain that. Okay. So this is it is missing in that entry. Okay, so when I just checked that for 173 for 173 financial variants, it is missing. So for all, if it is need to be maintained, it's very difficult. Generated physical instrument. Okay. First of all, we need to understand that what field status variant is there in which GL account is present here. First of all, the field status variant is not there. So how you created this TATC? Did you not copy it properly?
I copied everything.
But why it is showing all errors and all? The entire financial all it is missing. Not only one, which is all it is missing. Company code level.
I have copied from that 1,000. You have copied from 1,000 code, no? So I have used same code.
I'll just copy again all this.
Yeah.
From 1000 TATC.
Currency we have used euro, no?
Sorry?
Currency we have used euro. Here you are using
It's
USD.
okay, no problem, no problem. Currency, it's not a currency problem. The data is not copied properly. If we keep on, we are checking all the things, then I need to learn FI. I can tell you. Yes. The physical variant, it is financial variant, it is not the same. Anything, it is not the same. Okay, so let's see. If I go to FSW now, what is the one more TATD, right? TATC,
No.
TAT.
PATC.
Only one company got be created, huh? Not as TS, I think. Not as okay. Both have the same problem. Field status variant is not the same. Okay, let's do lesson field status variant.